Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Black Shark Pad SE, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's begin with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all you need to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here tap on Delete Browsing Data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, open tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. Just tap on the option and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. At the top, you've got the time range again. So just tap on it and choose the one you want to, and then tap on delete data. And basically, this is it. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.